3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I can't click it. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today we're doing a fun video. It's kind of a challenge and tutorial mixed into one. I'm showing you guys my 5-minute makeup routine. I don't actually have a 5-minute makeup routine. It's usually like 12 to 15 minutes for my everyday look. So this is gonna be a little pared down, but it's sort of what I do when I'm running really late. Gotta get to school or work, either in person or virtually, and I need it to look a little better, but I don't have time to spare. That is what we're going for today. It's gonna be very beginner friendly, so hopefully you guys pick up some tips, or at least enjoy me challenging myself with this 5-minute time limit. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I hope it's gonna be a fun time, so stick around and let's see how this goes. Ugh, my heart is like racing a little bit. I'm nervous. Okay, let's clean the hands. Oh, the pressure's on. Okay, ooh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm nervous, but I'm ready to be in, so let's get that timer started and get into it. 3, 2, 1, go. Timer is going. Let's start with the Bare Minerals primer because I can never do my makeup without priming my face. Gives us a good base, and I'll keep it on all day long. Okay. We need 2 hands. We don't got time for 1-hand application today. Okay, under the eyes, on the eyelids, I need a tissue. Yeah, come on, tissues, cooperate. Okay, we're going in with some Clinique BB cream, a nice 1-step all over sort of light coverage. Okay, apply it with the fingers. It is a quick application, exactly what we're looking for today. Gonna cancel out any redness and minor imperfections. Oh my god, how is a minute already gone by? I don't know if I have time to do under eye concealer, but I want to. So I'm going to. Okay, that was enough with that. We're gonna do some quick under eye concealer because time is going, ... And that was my color corrector. This is my concealer, some Urban Decay and Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, we got the beauty blender all ready to go. Just patting it out. I am so nervous, oh my goodness. Girl, chill out. Okay, one eye is blended. Really the base is probably gonna take the longest of everything, but I knew it would, so that's fine. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's powder it. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Girl. Ooh. Need to really powder that down so I don't get any creases throughout the day. And just lightly powder the rest of my face. How we do it on time. 3 minutes left. That's cool. That's a lot of powder. Are we loving this energy today? Huh. I'm not. Okay, looking good. Next, we have brows. We're just doing a little clear brow gel to just shape them and keep them in place all day. No time for anything else. Okay, we've got some powder in my hair, that's fun. Next, let me just, we have 2 minutes left. Let's just, ouch! Pinch our eyelids, that's what I meant to do. Curl our lashes while we cry, just a little bit. Oh! This is my old, God. This isn't even, okay, hold on. We gotta pause. That isn't my, we had to pause because I took out the wrong stupid eyelash curler. That one doesn't work anymore. It did nothing. Gotta put some time back on the clock. Let me just recurl them because that was not really fair. Okay, there we go. Lashes fixed with the correct eyelash curler. Now we will start the timer again. Sorry if that was a little bit of cheating, but like I grabbed the wrong thing, okay? I'm going to resume the timer. 1:47 left. Okay, I'm just taking mascara. Usually I do 2 mascaras, but today we don't have that much time, so we're gonna be a little less extra than usual and just go with 1. Hold it up nicely, no clumps, no messes. Giving us some nice length, definition, volume, all the good stuff. Okay. Looks nice. Bottom. Okay. No time for perfection. Okay, we have some time to spare, so I'm gonna do some fake freckles. I love doing this when I am wearing more natural makeup because it just looks like you're kind of wearing no makeup and you're just natural little freckles are showing through. This is my trick, my hack. You just do some on the nose, a little on the forehead, and on the cheeks. We have 40 seconds. I want to do a lip gloss. Girl, don't run out of time before the lip gloss. I gotta powder this down. Okay, 30 seconds left. That's good, cool. Beauty blender, grab some powder, powder that down. There we go. Lip balm, baby lips, the classic. And now some lipstick and lip gloss in one. Marc Jacobs. Time to set. Time to spare. Oh, we did it. We just did that. What did we do? I'm happy with this look. I'm like semi-impressed. We pulled out a look in 5 minutes. Yes, we did. The only misstep was I took the wrong eyelash curler. That one is old and it doesn't curl my lashes. It's time to throw it out. I don't know why I was sitting there. That was fun. If I had 10 minutes, I would have done some bronzer, some blush, some highlighter, a little bit of eyeshadow, my second mascara. But really, we kind of got to the important stuff, which is what I focused on in this little routine. I look presentable. I would be totally fine going out to school or work, just out for the day, whatever I gotta do. I hope this was fun for you guys to watch. Maybe picked up a tip or two in my super fast little talk through there. I can't even remember what I said, but maybe it was something good in there. I'm not sure. Let me know if you learned anything in the comments. If you had a fun time, leave a like for me down below. If you want to stick around and catch more videos in the future, we have fun here. We'd love to have you. All you gotta do is just click that big red subscribe button down below and right next to it, ring the notification bell to get notifications of all my future videos. Just send straight to your phone. It'll just light up like that. Have a fantastic rest of your day. If you've got future video requests, let me know down in the comments. And as always, this is ByStephieNics. Bye.